Okay, so the first problem is this. The first one he missed was this one, and it clearly shows that as the temperature goes up, let me get something to write with. As the temperature goes up, then attendance goes up. So as temperature increases, more people come to the arcade. In that particular question, his first answer was as, let's see what it was. It was as temperature increases, fewer people come to the arcade. We gotta look at that. Make sure that I'm reading that right. Okay, well, that's the correct answer. I'm not sure exactly which answer he put first, but I'm just going to go through these and give you the correct answers. Okay, this one says the median age. That's the age in the middle of 15 players on a professional. 15 players. Median age is 27. Suppose a 30-year-old is traded from this team in exchange for a 24-year-old. So we took a 30-year-old, we exchanged him for a 24. Which statement is true? Well, the median age could remain 27 because we don't know what those other ages are. This says the median age must increase. We don't know that. The range must decrease. We don't know that. The median age must decrease. We don't know that. Because we don't know all these other ages in between here. So the median age could remain 27. Okay, this says find the value of x. It says the mean, or the average, is 0. So we know we have negative 11.5, negative 6, 4, and 6.5. And we also have x. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. And when we divide those 5 numbers by 5, they average 0. So all we're going to do is add this number to this number to this number to this number. Okay, so we're going to do that. And when we add those up, we get negative 7. So negative 7 plus x divided by 5 equals 0. So all we're going to do is figure out what x is. So if we multiply both sides by 5, these will cancel out. And I'm left with negative 7 plus x equals 0 times 5 is 0, is 0. So if I add 7 to both sides, I get x equals 7 up here. There's our answer, x equals 7. Okay, this says find the value of x. We're looking for the median, the number in the middle, so we got to put these in order. We got 34, 36, x, 68. All right, they already had them in order. And they're saying the median is 43. So the number in the middle, change colors here. Oh, here we go. Number in the middle equals 43. So that tells us 36 plus something divided by 2 equals 43. So 36 plus something, call it x, divided by 2 equals 43. So if we just solve this for x by multiplying both sides by 2, well, these cancel out. This becomes 86. So I have 36 plus x equals 86. Solve for x, I subtract 36 from both sides, minus 36. And I'm left with 50. So x equals 50, right up here. Okay, find the median of the data. So we gotta put all these in order. That's our first step. Put them in order and figure out what the middle thing is. So we gotta start with the smallest number, which is negative 2.45. And then negative 1.46. And negative 1.32. Then negative 1.26. Then negative 0.43. And then 0.52. And 1.04. I'm going to move those over here. And 1.57. And 2.75. And 3.44. Then to find the median, remember, you just go from one side to the other. So I get rid of that, and I get rid of that. Then this, and this, and that, and that, this, and this. So now I'm left with this right here.
Hello?
I want to find out what's in the middle of it. So negative 0.43 plus 0.52 divided by 2 equals 0.45. And that's our median. Okay, so this problem, it says find the mean. So we want the average of this data. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items, or 9 data points. So we're going to divide everything by 9. So what we're going to do is add 1 1/3 2 times, because we have 2 of those. Then add 1 2/3 2 times. Add 2 3 times. Then add 2 1/3 once, and 2 2/3 once. Add those all together, divide by 9, and you will get your answer 1 8/9 hours. Okay, in this one, find the mean. So it wants the average. So all you're going to do is add all of these 10 numbers right here. You're allowed to use a calculator and divide by 10. I'm not going to do that because you can do that on your calculator. And when you do that, you'll get 0.24 or 24 cents as your average.